A Soap's Up.
Let's talk about what some of the stars have been up to in real life. The divas of daytime TV are going to be performing and chatting with fans at this year's CMA Music Fest in Nashville. The divas are made up of Cassie DePaiva and Kathy Breyer, Blair and Marcy, respectively, on One Life, as well as Bobby Eakes from All My Children. They're going to be appearing at the event on Saturday, June 13th. And if you would like to go, or if you want some more information, you can check out their website at www.divasofdaytimetv.com. As we know, Forbes March, the late Nash on One Life, recently booked a gig on As the World Turns as a gay character named Mason. TV Guide Canada's Nelson Branco spoke with the actor, who said, "I am interested in characters who will demand I look at the world through someone else's eyes and fight for their point of view. So a gay character was interesting to me. I am not phobic of really anything, and I am certainly not homophobic." I, for one, miss Nash on One Life for many reasons, including the fact that I had a crush on him and he's Canadian. But I wish him luck, the best of luck, on As the World Turns. Lori brings up a good point on our Facebook page. She says, "Has everyone forgot that Jessica has another daughter? I would think that if Bess were really trying to protect Jessica, that she would have taken both girls, so Jessica would have Bree for comfort when and if she remembers what happened to Chloe/Hope. Not to mention, she is the real connection to Nash." I've been thinking that myself. Why hasn't Tess or Bess or Jess mentioned a thing about Bree? Where is Bree? I'm assuming at Landfair with a babysitter, since neither Vicky nor Natalie seem to be too concerned with her either. Next thing you know, she'll be showing up next week as a teenager. I'm kidding, of course, but it would not surprise me. Have a great day.
Get interactive with your favorite soap at atv.ca.